What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, man, and right now I am in Houston, Texas, living. Finna enjoy this weekend. I'm about to do a little shopping. I'm about to go, do something. But before I do that, there's a lot of people been writing me, asking questions. And if you could copy and paste, you can get paid. Basically, we're resellers, digital marketer resellers. We get a digital product, we resell it, we show you how to market and target, people who want to make money online. And it allowed me to make, money and be able to come on this trip because it's instant, okay? The payments are instant. You don't have to wait. If you have anything you have to take care of, if it's a part of this business, you could make that money and use it. It's one of those things, man, with digital marketing online, it allows you to navigate through life better. It allows you to free up some time, spend more time with valuable people, your family. It's just one of those things you can work literally anywhere. Like when I get off this video, once I go to the mall and do what I gotta do, guys, I am hopping on my computer and I'm going to make some more money before I leave. I am looking for people who actually want to better their life. Now, if you're comfortable with your life, you could just go ahead and leave this video. If you're comfortable with your life, leave this video. It's not for you. I am looking for people that want to elevate, that want to make some more money. 2020, everybody had a goal. This is the time to get in, guys. You have to get started. I have so many testimonials of the team members that are part of this company along with me, how much money they're making. If you said this was your year, if you said you wanted to fill up your bank account, if you said you wanted to travel more, if you wanted to leave your 9 to 5, get started. So the link will be above or below. Wherever you're watching this video, the link will be there. Just click it. Check all the details out and get started.